welcome to Jeff and Anna Love this wedding reception. By the way, my name is Sally Santos and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. Feel at ease and let's enjoy this evening. Tonight was for a day of celebration and it's extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate for Jeff and Anna Love this wedding day. And I'm welcome here in Ifigduro, Alhasam, for Noguera and Ladera Nuptials Dinner Wedding Reception. Tonight is a special night not only for a couple, but of course for the loving family, relatives, and friends who are here with us because this day marks a new beginning of their lives being together as husband and wife. So please make yourself cozy and find your animal skills as we're about to start the lovely program for tonight. From where I'm situated right now, it is evident in everyone's expressions that you guys are all excited to meet and witness our newlywed couple who just become one. So without further ado, may I request